the girl with the mousy hair, but her mommy is yelling no, and her daddy's told her to go, but her friend is nowhere to be seen. Now she walks in a sunken dream to the sea with the clearest view. She to the silver screen, but the film is a sad and cold. For she living the times of more. She could speed in the eyes of fools as they ask to the buckles, sailors fighting in the dance floor. Oh man, look at this caveman go. It's a freakish show. Take a look at the low man beating at the wrong guy. Oh man, wonder if he'll ever know. It's a Vasily show. It's a life on Mars.